Hello everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and today is Monday, the 14th of January 2019. The reason I'm giving you the date is because at the end of trading, Tesla stocks fell by 3.7%, which is close to $13 per share. Now, what do we care? So whenever I see Tesla stock go up and down violently, I always look for the good news or the bad news. And today's bad news was very interesting. So today's news was based on increased announced competition. Now, I think it's a wonderful news. And here's the news. So Ford announced that they are going to invest $11 billion in electric cars, creating by 2022, which is not far from now, it's only 3 years, over 40 electric and plug-in hybrid cars, including an SUV or SUVs. Well, that will be a fabulous idea. Fabulous thing. Can you imagine a Ford F-150 all-electric or plug-in hybrid? It's the most sold car in America, the Ford F-150. It's the most popular car in the United States. So can you imagine? So that's amazing news. Now, I do have a caveat at the end. Just wait for the caveat. GM is announced, after closing 4 factories, but it's announced that they're going to have a Cadillac SUV, all electric. Well, that's interesting. Nissan, as in Nissan Leaf, their luxury brand, which is Infiniti, announced an all-EV QX coming in 2021. So that is unbelievable. That is great news. So the investors say, "Oh my God, there's so much competition coming. Tesla, it's gonna affect Tesla." But first of all, it's not going to affect Tesla today. These are plans for the future. Second of all, it's a good thing for the electric car world, because more people will buy electric, and there will be very good competition and variety. We'd love variety. And third, and most importantly, Tesla already created a system of supply and production and delivery that it's second to none in that niche, in that area. Now, Ford and the other company, GM, they are well-oiled machine, but their track record doesn't show anything encouraging about adoption and plans and deliveries of electric cars. Now, give credit to GM. They did sell more than 200,000 in America, Bolt and Volt. The Volt is going to be discontinued. Hopefully it's in favor of something else, fine. Ford, which sold a lot of plug-in hybrids, very few pure electrics. This year was almost nothing. Their numbers are plunging. Is this because they're going to bring something else? The point I'm trying to make, and here's the point I'm trying to make, I read so much about this stuff. I'm like obsessed with this stuff. And the common denominator is by 2020, by 2022, by 2025, by 2030, by all these down the line plans to bring in electric cars. And with all due respect, there's one company who does. Now give credit to Nissan. They sold over 380,000 electric cars in the world. They were really pioneers. But again, it's not in the magnitude of Tesla or what Tesla is doing, philosophically speaking. So am I happy about this news? Absolutely, I'm happy. I don't understand what's the connection between that and Tesla stock falling, but that's for investors to decide. But it's so way down the road, and we heard that story so many times before. The only thing I want to see is results, and results are 2 things: production and delivery. That's it. 2 things: produce it and deliver it. Let's see what you can do. And we didn't talk about charging infrastructure, which is another story. But I wanted to share with you that. Hopefully you enjoy this. Thank you guys for watching. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please subscribe. See you tomorrow with another episode.